Hello everyone, it's Nicole again, and today I'll be making an I Like Trains tutorial for your nails. Okay, so I already painted my nails. This one says trains. I painted it because I'm really slow, so I didn't want to make you wait. And these are just like the train tracks. I left this one without painting because I want to show you how I made it. And I'll be painting the rest now in this tutorial. Okay, so on your ring finger, just make the word trains, because on the thumb one we'll be making the I like trains sign. Okay, so using some black, make a big I on the thumb on top. Okay, so I have the I right there in black. Now under the I, make a big heart. I'll be using red for that, but I'll put the borders in black. But I'll start with red. So under the I, I'll make a heart now. Start making like a V shape and just make thick little dots on top to create a heart, like that. I'll wait for that one to dry for later, making the black borders. Okay. In the meanwhile, I'll be taking black again, and this is how I made the train tracks. They're really easy to make. Just make, in any angle you want, 2 straight lines, or curvy, or however you want them. I'll make mine slightly curved up, like that. They don't have to be perfect. Okay. And then just create lines connecting them. Like that. Now it says, yeah, like trains on this hand. Okay, now on the other hand, I'm not going to make the same design. As you can see, I just made train tracks here, but I put a little heart in it. And here on the thumb, it's going to take some time because I was planning to do the I Like Trains kid. But since it's with my left hand and I am right-handed, that's why I say it'll take a little bit of time. But I'll do my best. I hope I don't fail with my left hand. Okay, so I'll make it in black. Here it goes. I think it's better if I start with a pen or something. Yeah. I'll start by drawing it with a pen. I hope it draws in here. Okay, now it doesn't want to draw, so I'll just make it straight on my nail. Okay. Start with the hair. Then make the little 2 spikes he has on top of the hair. Okay, let's see if you can see that. I'm sorry if you can see. I'm sitting at a weird angle right here. Okay. Okay. So that's how it's coming out. I'll just finish the hair, like the little bangs he has. 3 small triangles. Okay, like that. And then just make 2 small dots for his eyes. And then a straight line for his mouth. Okay, I have a really shaky hand. And that's the I Like Trains kid. I'll fix it later. Oh, forgot. I'll make the borders later. I'm really running out of time. I have to go. Sorry about that. But here they are. I Like Trains nails. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, leave comments, and if you have any requests, just let me know. Okay, bye for now.